Hello everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools, the go-to destination for all things automotive. Today, we have an exciting review lined up for you, the AUTOPHIX OM126P OBD2 scanner. If you're a car enthusiast or someone who wants to take control of their vehicle's health, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. Right out of the box, the OM126P feels like a well-made tool. It's got a nice rubberized grip that makes it easy to hold, even with greasy hands. The buttons are large and easy to press, and the display is clear and bright. I also like that it's super compact, so you can easily toss it in your glove box or toolbox. The AUTOPHIX OM126P is not just your average OBD2 scanner. It's a game changer when it comes to simplicity. With its plug-and-play functionality, you can say goodbye to complicated installations and hello to hassle-free diagnostics. Gone are the days of fumbling with cables and struggling to connect your scanner. The OM126P is designed for convenience. Simply locate your car's OBD2 port, usually found near the driver's seat, plug in the scanner, and you're good to go. Now, let's explore its key features. User-friendly interface. First and foremost, the OM126P boasts a user-friendly interface. No complicated menus or confusing buttons, just plug it in, and you're ready to roll. Wide vehicle compatibility. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or even a truck, this scanner supports a wide range of vehicles, ensuring compatibility with most OBD2 protocols. Live data display. Get real-time insights into your vehicle's performance with the live data display. Monitor everything from engine RPM to coolant temperature on the spot. Reads and clears codes. The OM126P doesn't just identify problems, it helps you solve them. Quickly read and clear diagnostic trouble codes to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Compact and portable design. With its compact and portable design, the scanner is the perfect companion for road trips or emergency situations. It fits right in your glove compartment. Here's a breakdown of who can benefit the most from this scanner. Save money on repairs. By being able to diagnose problems yourself, you can avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic. The OM126P can help you identify issues early on, so you can fix them before they become major problems. Learn more about your car. The OM126P can give you a wealth of information about your car's health, including engine performance, emissions data, and sensor readings. This can help you understand how your car works and troubleshoot problems more effectively. Feel empowered. Fixing your own car can be a very rewarding experience. The OM126P can give you the tools and knowledge you need to take control of your car's maintenance. Here are some pros and cons about AUTOPHIX OM126P. Pros: affordable, easy to use, accurate, compact, lifetime free software updates. Cons: not as feature-rich as some high-end scanners. The cord could be a bit longer. The AUTOPHIX OM126P is more than just a sleek gadget, it's your key to unlocking the mysteries under the hood of your car. Designed for both beginners and seasoned mechanics, this OBD2 scanner promises to make vehicle diagnostics a breeze. In conclusion, the AUTOPHIX OM126P OBD2 scanner is a must-have tool for every car owner. Its user-friendly interface, wide vehicle compatibility, live data display, and ability to read and clear codes make it a valuable asset for both novices and experts alike. So, what are you waiting for? Check the link in the description to get your hands on the AUTOPHIX OM126P and take control of your vehicle's diagnostics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more reviews here on Weekly Tools.